I caught part of President Putin's press conference. More competent in terms of conducting war than President Trump. Excuse me, Freudian slip. That was the last president. He caused anyway. From Charlotte, another line going from in Florida down to Tampa. To nature, not a solid meeting they make a very good point. Here's the deal. Here's what drives the driver in the states that are affected. Here's what you can do, the driver.
We want to expand pre-K for 3 and 4-year-olds, millions of pre-K.
The